guys. Warner Brothers. Yan o. Yan. Okay. Warner Brothers. Yan. Yan, Warner Brothers. Yan, Warner Brothers. Yan. Ito yung Harry Potter Studio sa London, England. Hotel namin, ang pinunta namin dito, nag-drive ng mga almost 1 hour mahigit bago kami nakarating dito sa Warner Brothers Studio. Okay, Chara, let's go. Wizard chest. Pasok na ba tayo? Try natin sila. Kapasok na ba sila? Ayun na. Yung ticket natin. Wait lang, net. Yung ticket natin, guys. Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Itong ticket natin, guys, sa Harry Potter. Daming mga tao, guys. Pumapasok. Okay. Mga bata, excited na kayo. Thank you.
Yeah, the photo package and
Kailangan daw i-tap daw, sabi ni ate.
Hiya. Thank you.
Is this my QR code?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Pasok na tayo. Pasok na tayo. Pasok na tayo.
Jane Umbridge, won by Imelda Staunton, did a fantastic job in that
Ito yung
lovely Furious Fuchsia.
kainan nila Harry Potter. Ito yung mga kainan nila, lamesa nila. Yan, guys. Dito sila nagsushoot. Oh, yan sila nagsushoot. Ito yung lamesa nila Harry Potter.
As well. The picture
Yan.
makes its first appearance of the third
Oh.
film, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, to the Clock Tower. That makes another appearance here in the Great Hall during the OWL exams. We brought it in here just for you for the Magical Mischief feature. It was rigged by the special effects team, headed by John Richardson, the special effects supervisor.
Yan, sa kabila.
The way it was,
Yan, dito yung
singular
kabila.
motor at the top.
Yan, yun yung lamesa nila.
Give it a very smooth motion, just
Harry
like
Potter.
for
Yan.
filming.
Yung mga students dito. Guys. Yan.
When the twins swept through on their broomsticks, causing an array of colourful chaos in the
Yan yung
fireworks. Now, some of that was actually achieved physically.
Okay.
We're going to show that to you in just a few moments' time. But before we do,
Ayun, no?
just a warning, there's going to be
Sa taas,
flashing
no?
lights, loud
Yan, kita
sounds,
nyo.
water-based mist effects, and
Okay.
even some
Kara.
pyrotechnics as well.
Are you the mother of Harry Potter?
Onto the video. Does it look something like this in 3, 2, 1.
Wow! Woo! Ayan na! Dito yun ng ano. Yan! Wow! Ayun o. Ayan o. May bumababa o. Guys, ayan. Nakasakay sa walis. Ano, may lumilipad din doon o. Ayan. Yan, musok na oh. Musok na dito guys sa studio. Yan. Yan! Woo! Ganda! Yun! Woo! Ayun! Woo! Dito ginaganap ang shooting.
That was an absolutely amazing amazing special effect. Now, throughout the tour
Special
today, you'll
effects.
learn a lot about special effects and visual effects. In fact, of the show just in front of Hagrid's hut later.
Mga kainan nila. Oh. Yan o. Yan yung mga kainan nila. Yan yung mga kainan. Oh, nakadikit pala. Yan o, nakadikit. Yan yung eskwelahan, yun ang Hogwarts. Ito yung Hogwarts, oh, guys. Yung kabuo ng Hogwarts. School of Witchcraft and Wizardry.
The set decoration.
Pala nila. Ayan. Yan pala mga suot nila. The Yule Ball. Okay. The Yule Ball pala. Gryffindor. Gryffindor. Dito daw ang higaan ng mga taga Gryffindor ng mga boys. Ang boys dorm, yan. So, guys. Ito daw ang higaan ng mga sa aktual na filming nila dito sa studio. Dito sila so yung actual nila na room pala ng mga bata. Okay? Ay, sorry. Yan yung Slytherin Common Room. Slytherin Common Room. Yan. Ito yun, guys. Yung actual na saan sila nag-shoot. Parang pinaka-living room nila. Ito. Yan. Na-props na lang yan. Pero dito sila nag-shoot. Ito yung office ni Dumbledore. Yan. Office ni Dumbledore. Yan. Ito yung office ni Dumbledore. Yan. Dumbledore. Ayan o. Yan si Dumbledore. Katayo. Okay. Yan o si Dumbledore. Dito yung office niya. Yung The Making. Dito yung The Making ng Wizard Cup. Yan, the Wizard Cup. Yan guys, the Wizard Cup. Yan yun. Yan, the Wizard Cup. Ito yung Potions Classroom. Ito yung Potions Classroom nila. Dito ginagawa, sinushoot yun. Okay, yan Potions Classroom. Yan, dito sila gumagawa. Yan, dito sila gumagawa, guys. Parang tunay talaga, oh. Nasa movie na gumagawa sila. Ayan, oh. Kusang gumagalaw yung ano, ang sandok. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Gumagalaw kusa, oh. Ayan, oh. Sandok. Ayan, sandok. Ayan.
Made over 1,000 letters to this very scene. Now we're not going to use 1,000 letters today because myself and Charlotte have to pick them up and that's quite a lot of work. So when we demonstrate this effect we are going to be using about 40. Now when it came to creating this effect in the films, Christopher Columbus, the director, originally wanted to create it in post-production using computers. But John Richardson, the head of our special effects team, knew that he could bring it. Absolutely, are you fantastic? So in 3, 2, 1.
Ayun.
Fantastic.
Yung
Now,
ano,
as you
yung
see, the letters come flying out of
letter
the letterbox.
lumalabas
During
sa
the film,
pinto.
not only did the letters come out of the letterbox
Yan.
like we've just seen, crew
Ano
off
lang
to the
talaga,
side would also throw letters in the
studio.
air and wax seals
Ayun, oh.
to create the wonderful scene.
Yung saan pinapadalan si Harry Potter ng sulat. Ayan, oh. Yan yung pinto na yun. May mailbox.
We do recommend having a go at our
Yan, yung the making.
area over here with our real snakes. Now, it is free to have a go, but if you do want to purchase a photos, there are.
Ngit, kuha ka lang po di ha.
Napalayo ba?
Ngit, dito. Ito yung train. Ngit, dito ka rin. Ito na yung train. Ito yung train. Kunwaring tumatakbo sila. Ito na yung train, guys. Ayan, oh. Sa studio lang pala ginagawa. Oh. Ayan, studio lang. Alam mo tunay tumatakbo. Ayan, oh. Oh, ha? Hindi pala. Ayan, oh. The night bus. Ayan, oh. Ayan yung ano, yung magic wand. Ayan, oh. Kala mo lumilipad. Special effects and monitoring rigs. Ayan, oh. Kala mo lumilipad, oh.
6, 5, 4, 3, 3.5, 2, 1 3/4. Yes!
Yun, oh. Galing. Kala mo tumatakbo ang baso. Dito yon.
Mind your head.
Ito yung motor nila. Ayan. Yan. Yan yung motor. Ayan, oh. Yan. Yan yung ano, motor na sinasakyan nila. Yan. Hagrid's motorbike. Ayan. Hagrid's motorbike. Excuse me. Thank you. Film effects visual card. Yan, oh, visual effects lang, oh. Alam mo, tunay na tumatakbo. Yan. Hindi pala.